and welcome to Burgs Budget. My name is Mika, and in this video, we will be cash stuffing my mini savings challenges that I made. I want to thank you for stopping by. I'm so glad that you gave a little bit of your time to watch my tiny channel. I am on a journey to pay off my mortgage while also saving some money. On my channel, I'm documenting my journey to financial freedom, my FIRE number, if you will. I will share budgeting videos along with cash stuffings and mainly savings challenges that I have created. The bug has hit me, and I have created so many different savings challenges because they all look like so much fun, and I feel like it'll just keep me motivated to want to save money and just watch my money grow while also paying down the debt that I have. So if that's something that you are interested in, please stick around and also leave me a comment. If you end up liking the video, you can give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. So let's get into my mini savings challenge. So I have been a busy bee. It's been wild. I have spent the past couple of weeks just making my binders pretty and the way that I would like to see them so that I will want to stuff them. So I created this dashboard, if you will, on vellum. And then I put this back one on some cardstock just because it was pretty. I like the pale pinks and the puzzle pieces. And what else did I do? Oh, and then I made these inserts for my envelopes. So let me get my dice out. All right, so there's that. I am going to use, I think I have 6 envelopes, so I'll use this dice that has the 6 on it. Put the rest back in the container. And then let me actually move this over here. And I don't know, I've been seeing a lot of people take like all the envelopes like completely out, but I don't want to constantly open and close the binder rings, because what I've heard is that can mess up the rings. So I think what I'll do is just set them out on the table. So I have got all kinds of savings challenges that I have created. I had so much fun. Now I am a elder millennial, I guess it is now. I just had a birthday and I just turned 38 years old. So now I need to see if these things are in frames. So I did a roll and save once, but I didn't have the savings challenges to go with it. So now I do, so that's why they are not marked. Let me get everything in frame. All right, so I think that's as good as I'm going to get. So let's see what I am working with today. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 singles, and what was this? 25. All right, yeah, that sounds about right. All right, so what I think I am going to do is mix in the 5s with these 1s. And then when I roll the dice, I will put 2 bills onto each envelope. So I have 6 of them. I think one envelope is just going to have 1. So here we go. 4. 6. 5. 4. 4. 3. 2. 4. Okay, 4. I need to hit a 1 because this time 1 didn't get anything. And 3. Oh, well, that worked out. I didn't have any singles left over. Okay, so since this is the first time I have to complete, wait a minute. I'm gonna get confused that way. See, I just did. Okay, so that was 6. Oh, just turn them sideways, you goose. Okay, here we are. Yeah, that way I'm not mixing money together because I still have what I did on my other roll and saves because I have not marked off any of the challenges because I just made them. So, all right. This one, I love this cartoon. I remember waking up early on the weekends, eating cereal and watching cartoons. Those were the days. So each one is worth 3. How much did I have prior? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I can only complete 1. And then what should I do? So here's the 3. And I have the 1 that's left over. I think I'm going to place that in the front so that the next time I play, I'll know. All right, that's 1. And let's see. This round, this one received a 5 and a 1. Each heart I have is worth 2. So as of right now, let me move this to the side. As of right now, I can complete 2, 4, and 6. And what was there before? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 before. So 2, 4, and 6, which is now giving me a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right. And today, Hey Arnold, that was the show back in the day. If you watched it, let me know. So today we have 4. Each heart is worth 2. Helga used to crack me up because she was a hot mess. Like, girl, just tell that man you love him and let's get it over with. So beforehand, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let me color those in. 2, 4, 6, and 8. We're making progress. I am so excited now to to do these mini challenges. I think it is just they're amazing to me, like it really is. All right, so who remembers Cat Dog? Oh, Cat Dog was my favorite. You can truly tell I was a millennial because this right here, I love it when the old cartoons come on Netflix or Hulu, because me and the boys, we are gonna watch us some cartoons. All right, so what do I have today? It has oh, this got a couple of 5s this round. Okay then. Ooh, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 this round. And these are all worth these are all worth $1. Okay, so, and I didn't even count what was there before. I'm not, I'm not sure. Okay, we're gonna set this to the side. What was this? Was this 20? Did I just count? See, I talk too much and now I don't even know. 5, 10, 15. You can tell I'm truly excited. Like, so excited because I love me a good game. All right, focus, Mika. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 rows is 12. So this card only needed 12. So from this round, 10, 11, 12. And then, okay, so I still have money left over. Let's see what was even there from the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this one is now finished. But I need this money to go somewhere else. So while I'm thinking about it, and then I have to put $1 in the ding 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 folder. So I'm going to set this over to the side and let me pull out another savings challenge. All right, so let me pull out another savings challenge and we're just gonna go and see what we get. All right, so this seems like a low one. Those are all, oh, Mika. All right, let's do another one. All right, we'll do 2 because there's a lot of money left over and this money got to go somewhere. Cause, okay, so the first one I pulled out was Puppy Love, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is $6. Well, girl, you're making it real easy for yourself. But look at how cute this is. I wish this one stuck around longer. Maybe I need to put more icons on it. So we're going to do 6. And this is all still from that first one. So we'll put a gold clip on it. Set it to the side. This one has, we've got a lot of singles left. And this one has little flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. Is this $9? It better not be $9. I'm not trying to pull out another one. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we got 1 left over. This is wild. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what though? If I'm being completely honest, I'm feeling real accomplished. All right, so at this point we have 3 completed. We pulling out another one. Pulling out another one. All right, we're gonna stick the finger in. And what do we have now? Okay. All right, Mellow Maroon. I like you. Because we only got $1. And that works for me. I love that they are so small. So that you do complete them quickly. All right. Whew. On to the next one. And this was in the number 5 spot. Who remembers my people here? We have 1 and 2. So we will color in 1. Since these are worth 2. And number 6. All right, these are all worth 2. I kind of feel like maybe I should make all of these like worth $2. I don't know, because the $1, I don't know. I can always create like other challenges. We gonna see, because my mind just be going and I get super fixated on things and don't know how to stop. All right, so this is what we have today. 1, 2, oh, there's a 5. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. And now what was there before I created the challenges was 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's 2 and 4. Thank goodness I didn't finish. You know what? All them 5s from the last one is what just took me out. All right, so this one has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And I will put all of these back in my envelope. And then I will see you the next go round. I hope you enjoyed the video. And leave me a comment below. If you do, tell me what's your favorite candy. As of right now, mine is gummy bears, and I believe that's because my 8-year-old adores them, and so they are always in the house, and we eat them all the time. So if you stuck around and you watched my video, let me know what's your favorite candy. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.